In a small, serene village near a dense forest, villagers live peacefully, tending to their daily tasks. The wise old woman, known for her sharp mind, is introduced, calmly weaving a basket outside her modest hut. The peaceful atmosphere is disrupted when the villagers notice some cattle have gone missing. Panic spreads as they suspect a tiger from the forest is responsible. The village chief rallies everyone, and they decide to set a trap to catch the beast. They dig a deep pit near the forest's edge and cover it with leaves and branches, hoping the tiger will fall in. As night falls, the villagers return to their homes, nervous but hopeful that their plan will work. At dawn, the villagers cautiously approach the pit they've set as a trap. To their relief and fear, they find a large tiger trapped inside, pacing angrily and snarling. The tiger's fierce growls send chills down the villagers' spines, and they hesitate, unsure of what to do next. The tiger, clearly agitated, tries to climb out, but is unable to escape. The villagers are terrified and begin to argue among themselves about the best course of action. Just as panic is about to set in, the old woman arrives, walking slowly but with purpose. She surveys the situation with a calm demeanor, her sharp eyes fixed on the trapped tiger. The old woman steps closer to the pit, her calm presence silencing the fearful murmurs of the villagers. She calls out to the tiger, "Oh, Puli! Oh, Puli!" Her voice is firm yet soothing. The tiger, hearing her, pauses and looks up at her, its fierce expression softening slightly. She speaks to the tiger, acknowledging its strength, but also its predicament. She offers to help it escape if it promises not to harm anyone. The tiger, eager to be free, nods in agreement, understanding the old woman's wisdom. She then instructs the villagers to bring a strong rope, which they tie to a sturdy tree. With her guidance, they throw the other end of the rope into the pit, preparing for the tiger's escape. The tiger grabs the rope with its powerful jaws and begins to climb out of the pit, using its muscular limbs. The villagers, still nervous, pull on the other end, straining to lift the heavy beast. The tension is palpable as the tiger slowly ascends, with dirt and leaves falling into the pit. Finally, the tiger reaches the edge and leaps out, landing gracefully on the ground. The villagers gasp, stepping back in fear. But the tiger remains calm. It turns to the old woman and bows its head in gratitude, acknowledging her wisdom and courage. The villagers watch in awe as the tiger keeps its promise, showing no aggression, and begins to walk back towards the forest. With the tiger safely returned to the forest, the villagers gather around the old woman, showering her with thanks and praise. They express their deep admiration for her bravery and intelligence, offering her small tokens of gratitude. The village chief declares that her wisdom has saved them all from a great danger. The old woman, ever humble, accepts their thanks with a warm smile and returns to her hut. As she sits back down to resume her weaving, the village is once again peaceful, with the setting sun casting a golden glow over the scene. The tiger, now free and unharmed, lives peacefully in the forest, never troubling the village again. The story ends with the village at peace, a testament to the power of wisdom and kindness.